Oh man, look at this out front. I love it. Let them work, and they're gonna do it. Just wait, let them work. Let them work, let them work, let them work, let them work. Here we go. Here they come. Kill them, guys, down low, arm them down, get them down low. Oh, nice shot. We'll get greedy with these ones, just wait. Let them pass once here. Get ready. Remember what I said about down low in the decoys, straight down. Okay, too low, keep your head down and stay still. Get ready. Kill them in front. Load up, load up, load up. Okay, this looks good. Here we go. This looks really good. We'll start flipping in a second here. Let them work once, they'll spin. Here we go. This is going to be the spin here. It'll be this big flock here. Lots right in front, setting down. Kill them on the ground. Down low, down low, down low. That might be one of my favorite things in the world. Here we go, get ready again. Lots coming from the front left. Kill them in front. That was good. Get ready on this bunch here. Get ready on this bunch here. Kill him in front. Okay, we got a lot coming on the front left. Let's wait on the bigger bunch, okay? Just let these do the thing. That whole thing's coming, yep. Be ready, guys. Kill him in front, get him. Stop, there we go, that one there. Get that one, get that other single. Nice shot. Load up, load up, load up. Kill him on the ground, down low, down low, down low. Yeah, yeah, lots of birds. Here we go, get ready. On the left, they're spinning to the left, and the whole flock's coming. Got them landing. Kill them down low, down low, down low. Nice shooting. That was crazy. Let these work a second. Yeah, really low cloud. Watch these ones, this looks good. Here we go, this looks good. Remember to shoot low if they get in. 2 on the ground already, okay? We got 2 in the spread and the rest of these are gonna get in. Get them, guys, kill them. Nice shooting. Oh, we're done. That was a great shoot. Absolutely. Back. Well, that worked out. That worked out really well. That was a great flight. Had constant flight all morning and a lot of birds moving around. On a day like today, you could probably sit and shoot all day, but we're done with our birds. So we're gonna get back to the lodge and get ready for a hunt this afternoon. Okay, we're good.